going to start off with our first exercise, okay, which is the protective shield of golden light, which is based on a 5,000-year-old Tibetan mantra, okay, which will help protect you from negative energies, negative influences, negative intentions. And if you're in any kind of work environment or business environment that is either toxic or abusive or uncomfortable, or where there's a lot of negative energy going around, this is the exercise for you. And of course, my suggestion is if it's a 9 to 5 type situation, you do this exercise before you go into the office or go into the business, and then at lunchtime, the lunch break, you do it a second time, because it has about a 4 to 6 hour power or strength. So again, do it in the morning before you go in, and then at lunch, do it again. Do the protective shield of golden light again at lunchtime. That'll protect you through to the afternoon or the evening when you go home. All right. It's also good for abusive relationships. And again, anything else, metaphysical, paranormal, or what have you, it's a great exercise. And like I said, the Tibetans have been doing it for 5,000 years. So if it's good enough for them, it's probably good enough for us. And again, when you combine it with EFT, it's a great exercise. So, using the basic EFT tapping points or tapping routines, okay, tapping meridian points, all right, we're going to start tapping at the top of the head, which is often called the crown chakra. And again, just repeat after me the various statements and affirmations that I'm going to be I'll direct you to. Okay, so let's just start tapping the crown chakra, the top of the head, and just repeat after me. Energy system. Okay, very good. Eyebrow. I'm instructing you. Very good. Side of the eye. To generate a protective shield of golden light. Very good. Under the eye. All around my body. Under the nose. Protecting me from all negative energies. Okay, under the mouth, all negative influences. Okay, collarbone, all negative intentions. Very good. Now under the arm, side of the rib cage, under the arm, all negative entities. Excellent. Now karate chop, sending them all to the sun to be transmuted to love. Very good. Excellent. Now let's go back up to the top of the head, the crown chakra. Only allowing in. Eyebrows now. Loving. Side of the eye. Healing. Under the eye. Positive. Okay, very good. Now under the nose. Energies. Under the mouth. And intentions. Very good. Now let's go to the collarbone. And if I have any negative energies or intentions, okay, under the arm, I send them all to the sun. Okay. Now karate chop, to be transmuted to love. Very good. Excellent. Let's all take a deep breath. And I'll release. Okay, and just as a little comment, obviously, if you're in an environment that is consistently toxic, abusive, dangerous, or unhealthy, maybe you should consider leaving that environment eventually, okay? This can protect you and help you, but let's face it, why return to the scene of the crime?